Yes.
So I'm probably.
No, I understand what you're saying. So for those who didn't hear what she was saying, she said the crime, that someone built the house, right? You said the crime one?
I said, when we moved up there in East State, I'm from East State. And
Okay.
I still moved out in different way because it was crime. When we moved there, it was good, but the crime was up that way.
Oh, yeah.
That's
And
why we
I'm
moved this away. So, I mean, you said it was gonna bring it back up. It could have taken it down. I mean,
no, it's not, never in the history have 40 homeowners brought the value down. Homeowners change the dynamic of a neighborhood. That's point blank period. I do real estate all day, every day, ever since 2015. I know everything from appraisals. I was a realtor, development, like I do this every single day. And I've taken all of the proper steps to make sure that everything is on the up and up, and this is going to be a positive development for Eastdale.
Because anybody is going to come into the community because of the type of microhomes that it is and the price tag that's on that microhome. So I'm sorry? Absolutely. So therefore it's going to actually help us in a way where we can get more for our money if we decide that we want to sell our homes because of the fact that it is an HOA and it costs so much. So there will probably be a different type of clientele that enters into our neighborhoods.
Can I ask a question, Paris? I live directly across the street from the project. I'm the first house on Garden Road.
Mm-hmm.
There's a ditch, or drainage ditch that runs between my property and my neighbor.
Oh, yeah.
That goes across the street. I want to know how that's going to impact, because the ditch itself, it's a problem now.
Mm-hmm.
And the disruption of it may cause my home to flood.
Yeah, I mean, I doubt the city will let me do anything that's going to hurt the environment. I already had to do a hydrology study, and that's something that my civil engineer will have to address. But we're not gonna we're coming to improve. We're not coming to make your life hard.
Okay, well, I know my neighbor has problems also because their den floods just about a good hard rain.
Yeah, believe it or not, the city is protecting y'all. I mean, I've been spent thousands of dollars already on preliminary studies, so they making sure everything is intact. Anybody else got any questions?